About a month after more than a dozen victims and their parents sued a Lancaster County school over an AI child pornography case, a motion was filed to dismiss it. Good evening. I'm Lori Burkholder.
And I'm Tasmin Mahfouz, and WGAL has been following the Lancaster Country Day School case for years now. And News 8's Sarah Metz has more on what this new motion means. Sarah.
Yeah, the attorneys representing Lancaster Country Day filed a motion today to dismiss the 36-page civil lawsuit that claims that the school and its staff ignored multiple tips about deepfake nude images and failed to take action as mandated reporters, which resulted in more than 350 images being made of 59 underage girls. The motion says in November of 2023, Lancaster Country Day School did receive a tip about a student taking pictures of other female students and using an application to turn them into sexually explicit images from the Office of the Attorney General through its Safe to Say program, clarifying the first person to receive the tip was a law enforcement official, not anyone at the school. The motion says the AG's office did not refer the tip to a 911 center or state police, just back to the school, which the school then investigated and sent results back to the AG's office. LCDS also argues that its administrators were not mandated to report the suspicions of the deepfake nude images after the Safe to Say tip because it did not meet the legal definition of child abuse. The filing says, quote, while the entire school community is outraged by the conduct of the two teens involved, LCDS was unable to uncover off-campus online crimes without criminal investigatory tools is not a surprise and does not create civil liability. The motion goes on to say that the school did not violate the Child Protective Services law and that the original complaint fails to include appropriate verifications, and it includes a Jane Doe who was not an actual LCDS student. In a statement sent to me this evening from the attorneys representing Lancaster Country Day, it says the claims against the school rest on two flawed premises: that the Safe to Say tip alerted the school that specific students had been targeted with artificial intelligence generated pornographic images, and number two, that the school failed to report that the information to law enforcement. Neither assertion is supported by facts. Now, ultimately, they're saying that LCDS is not liable for the criminal acts committed by two former students. Those students were ordered back in March to serve probation and also perform community service. Back to you.